So plan for the future. I guess kumbaga, we just want to continue our momentum. We just want to build leaders within our company. We also want to reach more kumbaga, countryside locations para at least makatulong din tayo in terms of providing jobs to more Filipinos.
So, Leaf, what are your future plans? Magkwento ka naman.
Well, yun nga. Basically, we act- I mean, if I'm just going to go back, the past 2 to 3 years was actually, I think I would say one of the worst that have happened to our company in VWP. But then, w- I guess it's something that I can be thankful sa kay Lord because of the experiences that we had the past years. Um, we were able to like use that to learn and basically change our mindsets, change the way we work, change the systems, the process of our company because it was actually one of the things na kumbaga it wasn't working very well. On a side note, that's actually one of the reasons why I had to decide to be away from a lot of things. And sad to say, kumbaga na included doon yung FAPS ko, I actually had to stay away from all other things na kumbaga um, like sa mga trainings, sa mga I kind of like declined a lot of invites to certain talks and stuff like that because it was one of the kumbaga down times if I may say sa time namin sa VWP. And as for myself as a leader, I actually, and to tell you the truth, I almost raised the flag. I almost raised kumbaga I almost threw the
Through the
white flag
towel.
out
Yeah.
through the towel na kumbaga I almost sabi ko I think this is it. I'm going to give up. But then I'm just thankful that there are just a lot of people around me, especially some of my partners, my wife and my family that basically made me realize that it's kumbaga it's just kumbaga trials, challenges are just part of growth and stuff like that, and it's meant to happen. It's just a matter of really having the faith, kumbaga believing in the Lord's plan. And basically I would say kumbaga I almost fell into depression but then everything went into place when I decided to like fight for what I think was good for everyone, for our company and our team. Again, I was very thankful that I have partners within our company na kumbaga sinuport naman yung mga decisions ko, sinuport naman yung changes na gusto kong mangyari. And during the COVID-19 year, like 2020, it was like one of the pivot, kumbaga, year na nag-pivot talaga kami in terms of a lot of things. And as of the present, I'm able to see na kumbaga it was the right decision, and kumbaga we're back on track. Although we're not back in terms of the numbers that we had before, but basically in terms of the systems, the process, number of clients and stuff like that, kumbaga we are getting there. So our plans for the future, I guess kumbaga we just want to continue our momentum. We just want to build leaders within our company. We also want to reach more kumbaga countryside locations para at least makatulong din tayo in terms of providing jobs to more Filipinos. So we're opening we just opened a new office in Sagay last month, and then we're about to open another office in Oton, Iloilo this coming March. So I think we're on track. So yun. Well, it's I think it's a matter of being ready. Uh, uh, just like what I always say sa mga partners ko and sa mga staff namin sa VWP, it always starts with a mindset. I mean, it's easy to say that I want to be an entrepreneur, I want to start a business or stuff like that. But if your mind is not set to it, like for example, and dami mo pang, kumbaga, if your mind is not set to it, I don't think you'll be ready for it. you just have to set your mind that you're going to do that. That way, and everything will fall into place. And just make sure that you always ask guidance din kay Lord para at least guided ka din. Well, first and foremost, I kind of like founded a company without any management experience, or I didn't even study management. I also did not have any knowledge in terms of business ideas, business acumen in terms of legalities and stuff like that. So I mean, I was a call center agent. I had an idea on how to run a team, but when I started a business, uh, all kumbaga all the stuff that are being provided right now by kumbaga guidance in terms of, okay, so if you're going to do a startup, these are the things that you need to do. Kumbaga those are actually things na kumbaga natakot ako. Like for example, I read so much about about labor problems. I kind of like had kumbaga, just like you guys, like if I'm going to start with my business, problema na, kumbaga, I was also overthinking, but I knew that I have to do this and stuff like that. And kumbaga, uh, I think um my biggest fear before when I was starting the company was how to really sustain it in a way where I would see na kumbaga, even if wala na ako dito, it will still run. Like for example, like how do I continuously get clients? How do I continuously hire more people? So kumbaga, andun din yun eh. Like for example, parang I was also unsure of myself. To make the story short, I was unsure of the things that I was doing, but then I just winged it. I just winged it, and yun, everything fell into place naman.